Information gathering. The first step involves the collection of financial data from various sources such as banks, credit card companies, investment accounts, and other financial institutions. This data can include transaction details, balances, interest rates, fees, and other relevant information. The platform uses secure API connections and/or screen scraping techniques to extract the data from the different sources. Data organization. Once the data is collected, the platform aggregates and organizes it in a way that is easy to understand for the user. The platform may use algorithms and machine learning to categorize transactions, detect patterns, and provide insights on the user's financial health. The platform can display the data in various formats such as charts, graphs, and tables to help the user visualize their financial status. Analysis and recommendations. The final step involves analyzing the user's financial data and providing recommendations on how to improve their financial health. The platform can offer personalized advice on budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt. It can also suggest financial products and services that are suitable for the user based on their financial profile.